What's up, ATC gang? Today we will be decorating our living room, but it's already beautiful, as you can see, because I'm here and I make everything great, right? Yeah, you know, right? See, they're laughing. It's a good joke. Thank you. You think I'm beautiful, but you do too, right? Anyways, I'm gonna let my mom take care of the rest. Maybe say hi.
All right, y'all. So like my co-host said, we are going to go ahead and finish decorating the living room. So if you want to see how it turns out, Byron, what do they have to do?
Watch the video.
What's up, ATC gang? So I'm glad you made it back, and please excuse my boyfriend's dry intro. He doesn't do camera stuff. But either way, we're glad to have you. We're going to go ahead and decorate our living room. So we're just starting off with Kaden helping me do the banister. We're going to add some garland, and then I'll go in later for more detail. This is an exciting video because it is sponsored by a company by the name of Vivo Home. They sell everything from appliances to home decor, but we will talk more about them a little later on in the video. But if you want to see how our living room turns out for the Christmas decorations for the year 2021, keep watching.
Let's go outside, the snow is falling down and every child is having so much fun. The snowman is twice the size as me, with a smile as quirky as mine. We're holding hands to keep each other warm while we stand and watch a choir performing all the Christmas songs that we love. Yeah, all the Christmas songs that we love. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents, as long as I spend this day with you.
Watching the playback of this video is just like making me emotional because Kaden helps me so much, and right now he's sick. He ended up catching COVID from his school, so he's on quarantine, but I just missed my baby. But I just wanted to show him, like, you have to wipe, you know, left to right, because he was kind of like just scrubbing in circles and not really getting the mess up. But I just love him because he tried and he does his best. Like, I just don't know what I would do without my son. For anyone that's new to our channel, let me stop and introduce myself. Hi, my name is Cicely. I am a disabled mother by way of sickle cell anemia to 2 young boys, and I enjoy making videos just to try to inspire and show people that if I can get up and still function and handle my business even through sickle cell crisis and hospitalizations, I just want to encourage you that no matter what comes, you know, down your path through life, you can still go on and have a good life. You can get up and keep moving and get things done that you need to get done. Don't let anything deter you. You can do it, and we can do it together. So I enjoy posting vlogs, cook with me, home decors, decorate with me, and sometimes we do a little bit of organization. So if that sounds like something you're interested in and you want to follow our family's journey, go ahead and click that subscribe button. But don't forget about the notification bell so you know anytime we post a new upload. We love to have you join the gang.
Merry Christmas, baby. Reindeer's coming out to play. Santa Claus is packing the presents.
Go. Alright, hey guys. This little nun's gonna be sitting down at the top of the steps. So, you know, when you're going up the steps, this little gnome man's gonna greet you. You can poop his nose as a gift of hospitality.
Boosie, what you doing?
You messing? You messing? Alright. Mama, choose name me.
You name them.
All right. I hereby dub the Obama.
Obama.
Obama, yeah.
I was thinking Nomad.
All right, no matter.
Okay. You know what? He could be Obama. Go ahead.
Also, comment what color you want his little hat to be.
His hat?
Yeah, because it's sequin, you know, it can be this.
Okay.
Or
so,
silver.
Kaden wants y'all to comment. Do you want the sequence to be white or do you want it to be silver? We like the silver. So, comment down below. Which way do you like his sequence? Okay. Sit him down.
The snow is laying 2 feet deep. Now wish upon a falling star, so all your secret dreams can come true. There's something that happens when sleigh bells are ringing, when December is, when the children are singing, yeah. It's Merry Christmas, baby. Ooh, yeah. There's room at the table for big and for small. All the fire is popping, the chestnuts are cracking, yeah.
Guys, so now that I am done with the banister, we will get into the Vivo Home, and I just want to say thanks again to them for sponsoring this video. They sent me out this hallway entry tree, so I'm gonna go ahead and have my boyfriend put it together, and I'll show you guys, you know, how it looks or whatever, and how I chose to decorate it. And my boyfriend decided we should get something practical because we have a small space and we, you know, needed somewhere to be able to hang our coats and hats and put our shoes. So this is what we had sent out to us for review. Guys, I absolutely love it. It's sturdy, and I like that it has the shelf, of course, at the top so I can style it. It's nice and slender so it doesn't take up too much space. And as you can see, those black straps, they even thought about making it safe, you know, for people with children or whatever. So these are the objects that I'm gonna use to decorate it and just give it a little bit of Christmas spirit. But guys, I definitely encourage you to check out their website when you get a chance. Vivo Home sells products for your home. So they sell appliances, they sell things you would like make cakes and pies with, mixers, they sell home decor. They also offer an assortment of like outdoor blow up things. So they just have, you know, a variety of options, and I'm sure that you'll find something that you like or that you need. So go ahead and check the link that's down in my description box to see more about Vivo Home. I went on their website and I liked the way that the website was laid out. It was easy to use and configure. I was able to browse and just find everything that I needed. So you all don't forget to check the link in the description box so you can get more information. But I'm just going to go ahead and take a minute to style, you know, the top shelf so you guys can see how I made it blend in. And it really made an impact to our Christmas decor this year. Y'all know I had to style it up. So I'm just going to show you all the pieces that I'm going to use. All of these items that I'm using to decorate with, I did a haul, so I'll be sure to link the haul up above in case you missed anything. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw the music back on and let you guys enjoy.
Let's go outside, the snow is falling down and every child is having so much fun. The snowman is twice the size as me, with a smile as quirky as mine. We're holding hands to keep each other warm while we stand and watch a choir performing all the Christmas songs that we love. Yeah, all the Christmas songs that we love. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents, as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. Ooh. I'm making plans of what we're gonna do. I feel so blessed that I can be with you, 'cause God knows that I've been longing for you. I just wanna hold you close. You know the stars are shining just for you. Let's take a walk and we can follow the moonlight till we reach a place we can stay. Maybe kiss a bit and dream away. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents, as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. Ooh. Last year I thought about how things can come around just like that if everyone is here to celebrate one day. We have our ups and downs, but when there's love there's always a way. And oh, this time of year we come together to celebrate. Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday, it means so much more than words can say.
So guys, right here I just wanted to quickly tell you that I am using pillow covers, and that's just a good decor tip to invest in pillow covers instead of pillows, because it's just better on space. My pillow that's in the middle of the couch that has the tree is an actual decorative pillow, but the white snowflake pillowcases you just saw me use are cases. So when it's time to put away holiday seasonal decor, it's easier to pack down covers than it is to pack down cases. So the rule is to go a size up. So if you have a 16 by 16 pillow case, make sure you use an 18 by 18 pillow cover. That's how you get that plush look. So you guys, we are almost done. I'm just vacuuming and it'll be time for the reveal. I just want to thank you so much, Vivo Home, for sponsoring today's video, and I want to thank my subscribers and viewers for coming back video after video. I love you and I appreciate the love, and I want to tell everybody, be blessed and happy holidays. I'm lighting my pink gumdrop candle, so y'all know what that means. It's reveal time.
Christmas lights are all around. I can see them now. It's like they spell your name. It's insane. Now we're back here once again. Holidays and cheer.
Keep watching.
So bland. You guys are legit fired.